Hey guys, welcome back again to the Soapery. It's Heather here and we're back for another fragrance haul review. So, I only did a small Nature's Garden haul and I have one from Bescented that I'm going to review. I will begin to the Aztecs later. Like I said, there's just too many, and all of my little cups that I put my melts in are stacked up on top of them. So once I move all that, because like I said, we're remodeling, so bear with us. So I'll get the Bescented one out of the way. So I got a 5-pound bottle of it. Leaves. I don't know if you can see it. I can't reach over that far. But Leaves. Bath and Body Works. It smells just like it, guys. I don't know. I do have... Hold on 1 second. Okay, Leaves from Bescented. Wonderful. 5-pound bottle. Price was great. I think it was like low or high 60s, low 70s for 5 pounds, and that's pretty cheap. So I'm telling you guys, it smells just like it. I can't wait to get it in soap and get it in some bath bombs. I do have another version of Leaves, and it's from Just Scent. Now, I'm not knocking Just Scent. Just Scent has some good fragrance oils, but it doesn't come close to the Leaves in there. I use this for wax, melts, and candles, and I don't call it Leaves type like I would this. This, what did I call this? Autumn Night or something like that. It's good. Don't get me wrong. It's cinnamon, it's appley, peachy, but you want a good Leaves fragrance oil, do Bescented your person. Your supplier, I should say. Okay, I have 5 from, well, I had 7 right now. I had 8 from Nature's Garden that I bought. The first one was almond, self-explanatory, straight up wonderful almond. Kind of smells like the Jergens original scent lotion. And the other one is Dragon's Blood, which everybody knows what that smells like too, and Nag Champa. Everybody knows what that smells like too. So let's get into the 5 that I got. First up is Honey Bunny. It's a Honey I Washed the Kids dupe from Lush. Phenomenal. Musky, honey, powdery. Ugh. It's so clean and fresh. It's great. It smells just like the one at Lush. Okay. Animalistic Instinct. Now, when this just came out recently, now, I was pretty darn sure that when they came out with this, that it was a dupe of some cologne for men, of course, that I love, and now I go back on their site, and I can't find what it's a dupe of. I love it. It's very manly, masculine. Very spicy bergamot, clove, pepper. way it kind of smells like Old Spice. In a way. I don't know if that was what the knockoff cologne was supposed to be, but I thought it was higher end cologne, but I might be wrong. Next is Blue Agave. I was very excited to smell this one with my love of tequila. I know it's not going to smell like tequila, but I love tequila. Very florally, fresh, clean. It's like that smell that you smelled before, but you just don't know where it was from. Smells like it has some cucumber in it. Very fresh and clean and just nice. This could definitely be for either or male or female. Doesn't smell anything like agave because when we go to Mexico, we always go on tequila tours. And it doesn't smell anything like the agave plant, but hey. Next is Denim. Was very anxious on this one. I'm hoping that it smells very clean. And it does. Now, this smells kind of like their Country Clothesline. And I have that, but I don't know where it is. Smells like Country Clothesline with like Downy April Fresh mixed. Very nice. Very clean. As you can go, I was kind of going with this haul for some clean scents. Like the Blue Agave's clean. The Honey Bunny smells clean. The Denim smells clean. And I know this one, this is called Bedtime Baby. But it's just like the Johnson's Bedtime. Ugh, and I love the smell of that. It smells just like it. Just like it. Yeah, if you're looking for a good, soft, gentle, somebody that likes lavender, but not like where it punches you in the face. Yeah, it smells very good. Very clean. It smells just like the Bedtime Baby. The Johnson's lavender, I think it's lavender chamomile or something. Smells just like it. So if you need to know what this smells like the next time you're at the store, go into the Johnson's baby shampoo section and smell it. It smells just like it. Okay. I did get one more from Bescented. Hold on. That I'll review. I was looking for a really good cranberry. Because, of course, the holiday's coming up. Now, from Bescented, I have their Spice Cranberry. And I got this, Cranberry Woods. I don't know if this is a Yankee or Bath and Body Works dupe or if it's nothing. But here's the Spice Cranberry. I got this in one of their mystery boxes. The Spice Cranberry, you can't go wrong. If you're looking for a cranberry that has cinnamon and like orange in it, yeah, Spice Cranberry is the way to go. Cranberry Woods. Very nice. It has more of the, not balsamine. It's not like a Christmas tree, kind of like pine coney, fresh cranberry. You can get a little bit of orange. And there is kind of like this fresh, kind of like fresh snow, like smell to it. It's nice. It's very nice. It'll be good to, I bought this for, candles and wax melts. I don't know if I would go with this in soap or the spiced. The vanillin is lower on Cranberry Woods than it is in Spiced Cranberry. Spiced Cranberry's vanillin is 1%, and Cranberry Woods is 0.50%, so half of what's in here. But I don't know what would hold up better in cold process. I would think the spice would hold up better in cold process than the Cranberry Woods, but you never know. I mean, some like cold process soap, if you've been making it a long time like I have, you know that some scents are like strong. They're the best thing for a cold process, and then some of them, they smell great in the bottle. You think they're going to be strong, but then when it goes through saponification and turns into soap, you smell it, but it's not as strong as what it was in the bottle. And that's just, you lose some of that when it cooks through and turns into soap. So that's why there's some fragrances that are great for cold process and some of them aren't. And if you need help in any way, I think people leave reviews on Maple Street, Bescented, Nature's Garden. They test all their stuff. And down below, they leave comments of how it performed, if the scent retention's strong. And just by going through that, you can pretty much tell if it's going to be good in your cold process soap or not. I've got a lot of stuff from them, and I read all the reviews. And I think every one but one that said it was great, you know, scent retention. Great scent retention, was phenomenal, and they hit it right, the nail on the head with it, except one. And I forget what it was, but I don't know what it was. But I remember there at least being one and be like, these people are crazy. They didn't, you know, the scent retention is gone. But again, it all depends on different factors. Your lye concentration, your, you know, how it cooks, why it's turning in saponification as it turns into soap. There's a lot of different things that play and act in good scent retention and non-good scent retention. That's why I always add canoline clay to my soaps, because canoline clay is known to anchor in fragrance. So that's why sometimes if you see me making soap and my fragrance oil looks like chalk, liquid chalk, it's because the canoline clay is in there to help it bind. Okay, so enough about me rambling on. You probably heard enough of it already. It's kind of boring after a while, but it's just to let you know how I feel the fragrances and how I feel they react. I always, you know, try to help you guys out, because you know that this is an expensive hobby. And if you turn it into a business, it's even a more expensive business. So I'm just letting you know. And again, like, share, subscribe. I'll keep doing these fragrance hauls, you know, and keeping you guys up for what I'm getting in and trying out. But till then, I will see you back for, I think I'm going to do a soap video and then a bath bomb video. And then we'll do Aztec, because I got to get that stuff out of the way. But until then, guys, take care, you know, and What else can I say? See you for the next batch.